Or Me Never, a self-composed poem by Sarthak Gupta. Strip me of my embellishments, take me as I am. I wonder then, would you still hold your daggers against me? But my entrails are the same, my spine is the same as yours. I'm you, you are me, from without. The minuscule of change which makes a you and a me. It is a necessity, not an anomaly, for you to perceive it so. Don't be a fool, don't be euphoric, because if with this logic, then you hurt me as much as you hurt you. So if not for mine, then at least for your own. Spare the hurting, let go. Together, let's just be one.